Just take a look at this TikTok page. They currently have been posting video for about a month now, and they have uploaded up to like 50 to 100 videos, I guess. But the crazy thing is that most of their videos that they have been uploading have been getting millions of views. Take this for example, like this video currently have over 31 million views, and it's one of their most popular video, by the way. And this video also have over 10 million views. In total, this channel has been able to get over 100 million views in the last 2 months, which is crazy, right? So but in this video I want to show you guys exactly how they have been doing this and how they have been able to get this result. Now the crazy thing is that this is not the only channel that is posting this kind of videos, but I feel like this is the channel that is getting it right, or that is sticking to one particular niche, and people are really loving the kind of content it's putting out. Like for instance, take a look at this other TikTok account. This channel just started recently and they have posted like 15 videos, but the first video they uploaded, or the first video they created, got about 1.1 million views, which is this one, which is crazy. Now I want to show you guys exactly how you can do this so you can be sure that you're going to get the result 100%. Before we move further, you see that I went to YouTube to check if anybody has already started posting this kind of content on YouTube, and I found this channel. All right, and this channel currently I've posted 48 videos so far, and they are only posting shorts, by the way. And their most popular video is 1.4 million views, and the second one is at 600,000 views. Then the third one is at 300,000 views. This is a sign that this niche is crazy going viral right now, and people really want to watch videos like this. I'm going to show you the exact method these guys are using to create these videos, and guess what, it's going to be very easy for you to replicate these channels. Let's dive into the process. So now the first step is to model what has already proven to work. So we need to come up with ideas for our own video. So what we just need to do is visit the TikTok page, which is this one, because I feel like this is the only channel getting the most view, so we are going to be using it for our example in this video. So what you just need to do is look for like 5 to 6 videos that are trending, and all you just have to do is use a tool like Virlo. This particular tool is actually very great. I've been using this tool for like 4 different YouTube channels, that's short channels to be precise, and it's just killing it, like full-fledged viral script with AI. And this is the tool I'm using. Most people are using this tool. People are not going to tell you exactly what they are doing or how they are making their videos because they don't want you to copy them. But for me, I don't care, because I want you guys to succeed, and that is why I'm showing you guys all this stuff. I'm not gatekeeping anything. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool. All you just have to do is sign up, and then you first of all have to come to this dashboard, which is like the main page for Virlo. What you just need to do first of all is either click on generate script over here, or you come to the content canvas. So basically I'm just going to click on create script here. All right, so now it's going to bring you to this page. Now you need to pay attention to what I'm going to be doing here, because it's actually very easy to generate your script. Now this is it. Add reference videos. Now what they are trying to tell you now is either you go to YouTube or TikTok and find videos you want to replicate, like videos you want to like recreate your script over. You understand what I mean? So for that, we're going to be using this channel or this page, and we are just going to copy their most popular videos. All right, so the first thing you need to do is click on the video and then click on copy link over here, and then go back to Virlo. Now paste the link and click on add. Right, as you can see here, the video is added. Now we have one video selected. We need to have like 6 or 5 videos selected so that the script can basically train himself from the videos we have provided for it. You understand what I mean? So I will need to upload more videos. I've gone ahead and I've added 6 videos into the list. So the next thing we want to do now is click on next over here. Now the next thing you need to do now is to choose your content type. Now this is very important because as you can see here, we have different kind of content style. Like for instance, we have chat message story, Reddit story, all storytelling, ranking content, TikTok shop, AI vlog, and content ideas. So what we just need to do is click on all storytelling, which is basically the category that this kind of story falls under. So click on next, and now give the AI some time, which is going to generate your script. So to do this, just click on generate script over here, and the AI is going to get to work and start generating you your super engaging script. As you can see now, the AI is done generating the script, and the most interesting thing about this Virlo tool is that it uses stories, like real life stories from the internet. Like as you can see here, is that we have sources where they got this story from. You can see they got stories from YouTube, from a YouTube channel, from different places. Like they find these stories for us using the idea from those videos, which is the best. You don't need to stress yourself doing this research yourself, and that is why this tool is actually one of the no-brainer tool that anyone can actually invest his money on if you're interested, or if you're serious about AI content or making faceless YouTube videos with AI. You just have to invest in script writing. I beg you guys. So now that you have your script, the next thing we need to do now is to generate the video, and we are also going to be using AI for this next step. So what you just need to do is copy the script from here, and then to generate your video, we are going to be using this AI video generator called leoai. It's one of the best. I've tried different AI video generator, and I just feel like this is the best because it's just gives me exactly what I want. So this is one we're going to be using. So the next step now is to sign up, and then it's going to bring you to the home page, which is this page. Now as you can see, they have different trending templates here that you can use, but the reason why we're here is to create the creepy cartoon style or theme. The first thing you need to do is paste your script. So I'm going to paste the script that we generated with Virlo here. Now after that, we can now choose the dark cartoon theme. We have the dark cartoon V1, like the version 1, and then we have the dark cartoon version 2. I feel you should go with the version 2. The reason is because this is like the updated version of the art style. So we're going to be going with this. So when you click on it, before you do anything, the next thing you need to do is click on the voiceover here, because we need to select the voiceover. So to do that, click on select and then go through the voiceover. Now I've been using this tool for quite some time now, and I like using Liam shots because it's just like the best here, but you can go through them and choose the one you like. For the sake of this video, let's just go with Liam voice. And when it comes to the stability and similarity settings, I just suggest you leave it that the way it is. So before you do anything next, what you just need to do now is click on generate scenes. Now give the AI some time. As you can see, it's generating the scenes. Clippy is done generating the visuals, as you can see, and it has also arranged the scenes accordingly, which is very, very perfect. It saves us that time from generating these images and also arranging the scenes according to how it's supposed to be. Like this is just the best tool you can use for this type of videos, you understand. And now that we have our visuals and scenes aligned, the next thing we need to do now is to add a background music. As you can see, the background music we have here is the popular one. Let me just play it.
In the 1950s, Ed Gein wasn't just Wisconsin's most disturbed resident. He was running a horrifying...
Now you hear the background music, and the background music is exactly the background music this TikTok page is using. What I'm just going to do now is to reduce the background music to around 13 so it doesn't disturb the main voiceover. When you're done with that, you can choose your transition. We have the dynamic transition and the smooth transition. Now this smooth transition is the new one they just newly added, which is the best because it just gives you a smooth transition as you hear the name. So when you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is change your caption if you don't like the color. Like for instance, we have white color here. If you want to change it from white to maybe yellow or whatever you want, you click on the settings here, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Now this place, basically the first setting here is going to take the caption up or down depending on where exactly you want to place it. So it's always best to place it here. And then for the size of the caption, you can see when you drag this down, drag this up, the size is reduced. So it depends on how big you want it to be, but I think I'm okay with 46. After that, the next thing you want to do now is to change your font color depending on which color you want to go with. I like white, but if you want another color, all you just have to do is click on font here and then change the color to your preferred one. As you can see, the color has changed. So exactly what you're going to do if you want to change your font. Now this tool has made everything so easy for us, and all we just need to do is click and drag, and our video is going to be ready. So now that we are done setting this video, I can just play a little here.
Business. After his mother died in 1945, Geen became obsessed with preserving what he called women's essence.
Okay, so now that the video is perfect the way I want it to be, the next thing I'm going to do now is export the video. So when you click on export, you need to add your title. So I'm just going to put Leo here and click on render. Alright, to stand out in this niche, we need to do what every other person is not doing, which is using AI avatar to present the stories. To generate your own talking avatar, all you just have to do is come to Adobe Express and scroll down to where you see animated characters. Go through the avatars provided here and choose the one that best fits your preferences. Alright, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be going with this character. Upload your audio here and generate your talking avatar, then download it into your device. So let's move to the next step, which is adding the avatar and also the story together. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Video and also your main story video into your preferred editing software. For this video, we're going to be using CapCut. So what I'm just going to do is, first of all, drag the avatar into the timeline and then remove the voiceover just like this, right? So what I'm going to do now is choose the ratio, which is 9:16 here, and I'm going to drag it to the top because that's where it's going to be, at the top. And then let's try to crop it a little bit, just like this. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is also drag it at the top so it can stay at the top, just like this. Add the story into the timeline like this. All right, so there you have to also crop the story a little bit. So what we just need to do is click on the crop here and then drag it this way, and then now you see that we have been able to like crop it to fit this and also have our talking avatar at the top. So let me show you guys what we've been able to create.
Did you know a serial killer used his victims' bodies to make furniture that he sold to unsuspecting customers? In the 1950s, Ed Gein wasn't just Wisconsin's most disturbed resident. He was running a horrifying side business. After his mother died in 1945, Gein became obsessed with preserving what he called women's essence. He started by robbing fresh graves, but that wasn't enough. Soon he graduated to murder. But here's the truly disturbing part. Gein didn't just kill his victims, he turned them into household items. Police discovered lampshades made from human skin, bowls crafted from skulls, and chairs upholstered with flesh. The most shocking discovery? Gein had been selling some of these grotesque creations to neighbors and local shops, marketing them as unique leather goods. For years, people in Plainfield unknowingly decorated their homes with furniture made from human remains. One woman had been eating soup from a bowl made from a victim's skull for over 2 years. A local store owner proudly displayed what he thought was an exotic leather lampshade. It was actually made from the torso skin of a missing hardware store owner. When authorities finally raided Gein's farmhouse in 1957, they found an entire workshop dedicated to his craft. He had detailed notes on preservation techniques and even business records showing profits from his sales.
Now that's how we've been able to make this story, like it's just so easy for anybody to do this. Now as you can see, we also added our character, which has entirely transformed this style of content, and currently I can bet you that we are the only one making this kind of content, like this particular style of content, which is using avatar to present the main content. We are the only one making it. So this is how you can make content like this and start getting views fast and monetize your channel in 2025. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.